What's up, everybody? It's Taylor Freeman here, and today we're going to do a keyboard review on a Bluetooth wireless keyboard by Onn. And so let's get started. Okay, first off, I just want to say that this is just a tablet standard keyboard, and it comes with it's Bluetooth 3.0 technology, has a software prefill incompatible with most Android, Apple iOS, and Windows operating systems. So let's get started on this. I'm just going to open it up out of here and one second. Just hold on. Okay, so the contents of the box are the Bluetooth ready keyboard. As you can see, it's here, it's pretty small. And this little nifty charging cable that it's just USB, and just like most Android phones use it, and the user manual, and it comes with instructions for setting it up with iPads and camera focus, and also if you open it, Android settings. So yeah, I actually use it with my iPad. So in order to use this, you just you have to charge it first with your USB cable, plug it in, and then there's the USB adapter port, and then your on and off switch, and it turns on just like that. It's really light, and but yeah, you just pair it with your Bluetooth device, and it has a nice soft feel, and arrow keys, and shift, enter, and delete, alt, command, control, FN. The command is for Apple, like iMacs and stuff like that. And yeah, so, and it has you can use these keys right here. There comes with secondary commands. For the function button, you just hold function, then home, and you can go home on an iPad or Android tablet, I suppose. But yeah, it has volume controls, and it has language, copy, all, paste, cut, mute, lowering and highering the volume, switching songs like skip, and then play, pause and play, and forward. Hold on. Sorry about that, it was my mom printing. And then there's the lock button to lock your tablet. And it's just a normal QWERTY keyboard that's Bluetooth with soft touch. It was only $17 at Walmart, and it's really nice. It's a plasticky, rubbery feel on the top, and then a hard metal or not metal, but plastic backing. And so yeah, thanks for watching this video, and be sure to subscribe and check out my other videos from tech. And thanks for watching.